How to create account in OKX. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new account. First of all, open the application. Now this interface will pop up. Here, simply tap on sign up. Now on the top, you must select the region where you live in. So here I'm selecting any one. So just tap on it. Now tap on this agree button here and tap on create account. So it will take some time. Here on the bottom, you can directly log in from Google too. So it will be more convenient to log in. So here I'm tapping on Google. Now it will take some time. Here you can see your account that you want to log in with. So here I'm selecting one, and so let's wait. And here you can directly log in with the password too. So enter your password and you'll be able to log in into this application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.